Switch ignition on with new key. Tap on ammo. Tap accept. Tap on forward. Tap automatic selection. Tap read. Tap OK. Tap on blade key. Tap yes. Tap control unit. Choose immobilizer can. Immobilizer remote control learning. Add key. Read the screen through, then tap OK. Tap yes. Switch ignition on with new key and tap OK. Read screen and tap yes. Security access in progress. Vehicle cluster might flicker or switch off, but that is normal. Turn ignition off and switch on again. The car will respond to learning by central locking sound. If you need to learn next key, just follow on screen instructions. The key is programmed. Test key to start. Test remote.